Hi, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. Today we will see there are some updates regarding Wireshark, but mainly for the protocol of the GSM, protocol for the telecommunications. Let's see how is the looks likes, right, guys? So I will just open the Wireshark and let's check. Okay, usually it's pop up, but it's not pop up. But I will call again the update itself. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, let's check this. Okay, this is related with the GSM map di sector uncertainty radius. Let's check this one. Let's see if there are some example of the GSM map itself. And hey Timmy, sorry, my cat is come here. So okay, there are no example from this one. Let's check the other one. It not be in this case. Let's check what is it. Okay, guys, what is the problem? When we set flag to 1, macro you not be extended, create in the extended in create their value are not shown. Okay, they said this value is not shown when the GTP protocol. This is GTP protocol, guys. Create session request user is the GTP. It's not mentioned here GTP, but I'll tell you this is GTP. So what we're gonna do, we will just download this one and we just save this. Okay, I already saved this one. Okay, before. Okay, I just need to open this one. Okay, guys, remember. Okay, and let's check what is the issue with this one. I will just expand all. Okay, we'll just go to the GTP, or maybe GTP version 2, of course, guys. So this one, create session request. Is it the same with this one? Create session request. Okay. And then when it said that create session request in the user location info, there are some, okay, the GTP version 2. This is IMSI. That's great, guys. He camouflaged the IMSI, which is good. And also the mobile number itself. This is great, guys. So, okay, this is the location info, guys. The Yuli. They said there are some flag that they not really, what do you call this? Is not really reflected here. What do you think, guys? Do you want us to update this? And let's check and compare that. Let's collapse all and let's open this. I want to open this. Oh, I think they talk about this one, right? Extended mode true. When the extended mode true. What is when the extended mode true? When set flag the okay. Their value are not shown as shown here. Okay, great. Let's user location info. Let's update this one, guys. Okay. I'm saving maybe the. Guys, I will just open this in the desktop. Pick one. Let's say. Okay, let's open the Utran. I will just try to save this one, guys. Okay, let's see what he say by this one. Okay, quit this one and I will say this is tick 2. Let's check what is the difference, guys. Okay, let's update this. Install update. Install and relaunch. Let's check what happened. GTP version 2. Create session request. Okay, guys, this one. Okay. The ULE flag, extended macro, present true. Let's say everything true. So what is the difference, guys? MNC and other should be visible in pickup. Is it not visible? Let's compare with the previous one. Before it's visible. What is this not visible? User location info, everything, so on. 404. So look at this one. There is nothing new, right, guys? Or maybe I missed something. 404 Netflix, okay, etc. Let me open another my laptop. Let's check my laptop. Okay. Now we found it, guys. What is the difference? The difference are here. Okay, great. This is the difference. So the macro inode B itself supposedly is enabled here, right, guys? So this is also enabled. But before that, let's check in here. Let me just give you the example. So I will just give the copy paste, the save to download. Okay, no problem. Just opening the download. Okay, here are the things, guys. So it says here, okay, so it says here, setting flag macro inode B XML increasation, their value are not shown. Yeah, okay, this one is not shown before. Okay, even if this is already flagged. Look at this. Macro inode B extended USB supposedly is flagged, but LI present, everything present. LAI, for example, LAI is present, okay, because present. NTIA present, okay. But before that, inode B is like this. So after LIL immediately go to RAT, right? Before we update LIA, go immediately go to the radio technology, radio access technology. But after we update, we got this macro inode B and also this one. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, guys. Hopefully this is useful. I just want to tell what does it look like when we want to check the update of related to Wireshark, related with the telecommunications protocol in this case, guys. Okay, guys, take care. And as always say in my other previous video, keep learning and stay humble.